Hello and welcome back to the studio where we paint away the stress of everyday life here in Wales, UK. So today I thought, let me just share something with you. This is what they call thumbnails. A friend of mine introduced me to this years and years ago about designing some paintings and things, and to take that on to a full scale painting after the sketch painting, because you know normally I just do quick sketch paintings, and then I'll take those paintings on if I think they're worth it to the next stage, which are painting full size paintings like that. Then
thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab your brush, have a great time.
then.
So to click subscribe.
The process I go through is I'm normally gonna either some watercolors, some gouache, even some acrylics, whatever you want to do. In this instance, I'm using some pastel pencils, and I got a bit of cardboard. Sorry, not cardboard. I paint on cardboard, but I got some of this. That is a pad, one of those pads that I had given by a company many years ago. And I thought, okay, so this is what I use these pads for. So a thumbnail basically is a sketch like this. So we'll put a sketch, put a little square in like that, because I can get about 4 of these per size of my pad. So just roughly 4 squares like this. And I have to apologise for my little Molly barking. The studio door is open today, and because it's a lovely sunny day. Anyway, so I got four squares like that, and that's 4 different types of paintings. And then I proceed to think of something I can do. So I want to do something with an horizon today. Now the best way to design a painting for myself for YouTube is to think something simple, easy and effective. And that normally consists of sky, water, and then something as an interest to sit in the center there. So I'm going to be looking at some sort of a sky today. Now I then decide what type of colors that I'm looking at. So if I'm thinking of sunset, so I'm thinking of yellow, possibly an orange, possibly a little bit of red in the sky as well, and then I will proceed to just put in a bit of color very quickly like this. I'll just add a little bit of red in, just to give that idea. This is not going to be a painting, by the way. This is just an idea for me. I'll carry a little bit of that into the water area. There we are. And maybe I'll darken up the top a little bit like this. There we go. A bit more yellow, bit of yellow in there. There we go. And then we need some sort of a cloud or something. I don't know what color. Let's see what I can pick up here. Let me get like a purpley color, because I thought I'll put quite a nice cloud shape in the sky like this. One of those dark clouds that you'll see in these sunsets and things. There you go, just like that. Very quick. You've got to be quick with this. And we'll put a bit of water in. I'm just going to use blue just for now, just so I know it's going to be an ocean scene. I haven't got any white, so I'm going to use grey. There we go. Just put a little bit of grey in there like that. And what I think I might do now, I'm thinking about the interest, going back to this dark blue colour, might put a little bit of landmass just sitting on the horizon line like that, just to separate that off. There we go. Now I need to think about interest. So we've got our sky, we've got our sea. Let's put some sort of landmass in. As I said, it's not the colours you want to worry about. You get an idea of what we're doing. This is going to be nice and dark. Actually, I got a bit of black charcoal here. I think I'm going to go a little bit of black in there like that. Now we could put some grass in like this, maybe some rocks, maybe even we could put some rocks in there. We could build up some sort of foreground with rocks, but I'm thinking today maybe we'll put a fence like this. Maybe it's broken down, make it blown in the wind. You get the idea. And maybe we could put some grass, highlight the grass in the front like that. So we've got a rough idea of my painting. So that's just a very quick, easy sketch, and that's the way I actually look at paintings, and I plan paintings. So I'll take it from there now onto the easel, and I'll do my YouTube video. And if it's nice, it then goes on to a full-size painting. That's the plan anyway. So there's the first stage, and then we'll go on now to actually produce this onto that, and that's going to be on another video. So if you enjoyed watching this today, don't forget to click the subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bells, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So there we go. That's how you design a painting. Pick your colours, pick your scene, play around with it, take it to canvas. If it goes wrong, it doesn't matter, because it's not the finished product. It's a sequence of planning a good painting. If you do that, you'll always turn out some brilliant work, which I know you do. So till next time, bye bye, and I'll see you then.